Rahim. Hello everybody. Welcome my channel English with Shagufta. I am Shagufta here. Today we are going to discuss the parts of speech. This is very vital topic of English grammar. Our spotting error, fill in the blanks and all grammar questions you can easily solve if your complete command on parts of speech. So let's see parts of speech. Firstly, we will see what is the meaning of parts of the speech. Speech means collection of sentences. Whatever we talk, conversation and speak sentences and words, everything is speech. If we speak one sentence, so in one sentence get many parts. We will learn these parts. Firstly, we will see how many parts of speech. There are 8 parts of the speech. Noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Now we will talk about briefly of all parts. The first part is noun. The name of any person, place, animal or thing is called noun. For example, Ahmad, Rahman, America, chair, house, committee. Ahmad and Rahman both are name of the person. Pakistan, America, these are place of name. Then chair and house, these are thing. For example, Ahmad is eating banana. Here Ahmad is noun because this is person name and banana is also noun because this is thing name. The second example is the sun was shining on the sea. Here sun and sea are noun. Kinds of noun: common noun, proper noun, countable noun and uncountable noun. So like this, in all videos we will recognize the all 8 parts of speech in sentences. But every part of speech has their detail. So in coming video I will describe every parts of speech in detail. So please subscribe my channel. The next part of the speech is pronoun. The words which we use instead of noun or at the place of noun are called pronoun. For example, I, you, he, she, these, it or they. For example, this is a chair. It is red. It is pronoun because we use instead of noun. The second example is I and he submitted our report. I, he and our is pronoun because we use instead of noun. The next part of the speech is adjective. Tell the quality of noun or pronoun. For example, girl has a pink bag. Pink is adjective because this is a quality of bag. The second example is I am a good teacher. Good is an adjective because good is a quality of a teacher. The next part of the speech is verb. The words which show an action work are called verb. For example, eat, write, run, listen. I teach English. She speaks Hindi. Ahmad go to school daily. Here teach, speak and Ahmad are verb. The next part of the speech is adverb. The words which show the quality of verb or which show how the action is done. For example, I teach English slowly, fast, carefully. Here slowly, fast, carefully are adverb because these are describing the quality of verb. The next example is she speak fluently. Here fluently is adverb because this is describing the quality of verb. The next part of the speech is preposition. The words which show the time and position of noun or any object is called preposition. For example, at, on, in, from, with, about, over, between, among. For example, the book is on the table. So on is preposition because this is describing the position of the book. The next part of the speech is conjunction. Join words, sentences, ideas. Those words who we use for join two sentences are called conjunction. And, or, but, because, still, etc. For example, I am going to language center because I want to learn English. Here because is conjunction because it is joining two words. The second example is they play football daily but they are not good player. Here they is conjunction. The next part of the speech is interjection. Show sudden reaction. The words which show sudden reaction are called interjection. For example, wow, ouch, hey, hooray. For example, wow, I got 90%. If you have any problem in my class, so you can ask in comments and don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.